It was the longest main event of my life. That felt so long. They cut the time and it still felt like I was out there for an hour.
What up, Billy?
Well, I feel like I've been lied to. I've watched Always Sunny in Philadelphia for a long time, and it is in fact not sunny. So
I'm a snag.
and then we got that to deal with.
Big day for the kid. How is he doing so far right now?
I think he's pretty good. He doesn't really say a whole lot. So I think he knows it, but he don't talk about it. He controls it. He's alright. Just doing his thing.
What I tell you last year? What I tell you last year?
Yeah, mama! Yeah, mama! Love you!
Man, I'm stoked. Through all the sacrifices my family made to get here. It's all worth it. It's all paid off. I've dreamed of this moment since I was a little kid. I'm stoked. I've kind of worked my whole life to get here, and it's to be paying off is cool. We set a plan, and we've followed that plan through and through. So it's been good, and I'm stoked.
Philadelphia race day, was really going for it, trying to get that win, especially late. Was full send and ended up P2 by just a little bit. So a little bummed, really wanted to get a win. Was charging hard at the end, but we'll take another second, and we're still not technically out of it championship wise, but can't be mad. I rode great, and we laughed a lot of riders on this. That was pretty cool.